Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so excited that you joined me today, and I'm excited to show you what I'm going to be making. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. Today's going to be just a little short video, and these are all coasters that I have made over the last several months. This set right here is my favorite set. I did a dip into paint on my table surface, and they just turned out beautiful. I absolutely love them. But I am putting all these coasters in my Facebook page and doing an online craft sale. Since COVID has been here, all the arts and craft shows have canceled, at least in my area, so I am going to just do my own arts and craft show. So if you're interested in any of these, they will be listed on my Facebook page, and it's price plus shipping, which all of them are $20. And then whatever the shipping is. And this set right here is a swipe painting. I did them in purple and gold. They got a hint of green in them, but that 24 karat gold is just floating across the surface and really sparkles out in the sunlight. These are the Geode coasters, or the Geode edge coasters. I did these with the clear resin and the mermaid mica powders and the 007 gold. Love how these turned out. Part of them are clear, so you'll get to see that here in just a minute. Love how that gold sparkles. I took these pictures all outside because I wanted to try to get that shimmer and shine to really sparkle, but I think they are gorgeous. And here you can see where the clear areas of the resin is, and there you can see through. I think they are so pretty. I love how that 007 just kind of floats across the top, but yet the surface is still smooth. It's really cool. I guess you can tell I like these, huh? There's more pictures of these than the others. And then next we are going to have a bottle bottom pour. These were some of the first tiles that I did, and it was definitely the first bottle bottom pour that I did. And they turned out really pretty. I love the colors, that how it mingled on there and then just stretched across the tile. It was perfect. Got a little bit of iridescent white in it to make it sparkle. They turned out really good. And the final set of coasters is from a dirty pour that I did, and then the runoff was on my surface work table, so I just dipped these tiles into the paint and they turned out all rainbow. All of the tiles are backed with cork except for the resin geode, and they have the little felt feet on them. So if you're interested, jump on over to my Facebook page, Creative Escapades by Kim Bevel, and let me know, and we'll get them out to you. Well, thank you for watching, and hope to see you in my next Creative Escapade. Bye-bye for now.